Hello, this is Mr. TikTok. I am no longer going to trust the Verge.com. I don't like throwing shade, but I just don't trust them anymore. We all remember what happened last September with the video on how to build a PC. And now I read that they are saying that the new Google Chrome update has the ability to go dark mode in Mac and PC. It is not possible that a website that gets thousands of visitors a day keeps on making so many mistakes and misinformation. I even read the article to see if I was missing something. No, I wasn't. It is not possible to do it. I was right in my video. I really do not like misinformation, especially from big sources. Do you guys still trust the birds? Let me know down in the comments. This was Mr. TikTok. Until next time. If you like my content, please subscribe.